This video I will tell you that how to remove threads badge on Instagram profile. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up the Instagram application on your Android and iOS, and then basically what you're gonna have to do here, that you're gonna need to go into your profile, your Instagram profile, and under your name we have this threads icon here. If you tap on this one, it shows us here that we are on threads app. So if you wanted to like hide this badge or remove this badge, just tap on hide this badge. Okay, you can't add it back to your profile once you remove it, so you have to remember this. Okay, so if you remove it once, you can't add it back. Okay, so if you wish to remove it, just tap on this remove badge option and it will be removed permanently from your Instagram account. So that's it for this video. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.